This is the DeWitt app, and here we have the home page. There's 5 sections: fill out an application, join a program, report problems, make a payment, and find information. Let's assume that we want to fill an application to rent a park rental. Let's assume this park is Ryder Park. So I click Ryder Park, and here I can see some pictures of Ryder Park. You can scroll through the pictures, and I can check availability. I can see the available part is white, and there I have some events scheduled. And scrolling down, I can see there's a little description about the park and the rental fees. And I can click on rental form and start to fill out the information, which I would need to rent the park. The user would type in the information here. And once I fill out all these information, I can either continue the payment or I can go back to the rental park list. I'm going to click continue payment. I have 2 payment methods here. One's with a card, another is with PayPal. So let's see what happens if we pay with PayPal. It's then taken to a PayPal page where you will fill out information or log into PayPal. And then you click continue, which will take you back to this payment review page. Let's go back. And let's say if I do it with a card, I would then be asked to fill out these payment information. I'm putting my card number, name, and billing information, and then I'll go to review rental again, the same page. And then here there will be some summarizing phrase telling the user that they have rented the park for what time on what day. And here will be some information on the contact person, the payment, and the terms of use. And they can use this plus sign here to read the terms of use. They will have to sign and certify that they have read it. And the signature they will put in here. And they will put in the date, and then they will submit it. And then they will get this confirmation message telling them that they have been successful at renting the park, and they will get email notification. And let's go back to home. Let's assume that we want to join a program. There's this website that already exists with the town of DeWitt that will take you to Rec Desk. So when you click on this join a program, it should redirect you to Rec Desk, which is the website. So it should look like this. And you can create an account or sign in here, and you will be able to put in your contact information and payment information and your family members and the like, so you don't have to enter payment information for every kid you have or do it repeatedly. You can also check out the programs here. So let's look at programs. Here we can see you can search the program by name. I took this from their website, but I made some alteration according to the suggestion from users. They have suggested that they want to see the time of the event up front, which I have here, and they also like the number of people enrolled out of the total enrolled, which I have here as well. They can use filters to see different groups of classes. Like here you can see there's adults, there's youth, there's like a pre-K program down here, and they will be able to scroll through. There's also senior to see the program they want to see, and they can load more. So let's say that we want to register for open volleyball. I can see that's Friday, 7 to 9 p.m. So that's very convenient here. Once I click in there, I will see these detailed information on this class. Here, the fee, I also put it right here as suggested by the users instead of in a different tab. In their website, they have it in a different tab, which is not necessary. So, and also location, I put that right here. And then I can click register, which in this case, it's going to ask me to sign into this community account, which I don't have. So I'm going to go back to the home now. Okay. So back at home, we can also try to report some problems. And there's a drop-down menu, which they will use to select what type of problem there are. There's streets and roads, which they will use to report things related to the roads, like roadkills or potholes, stormwater and sewers, trees, traffic lights, and street signs. So let's try trees. And here they can enable GPS, which would tell them the location of the device and directly have that recorded on the map here, or they can use this marker and drag it onto the map to mark the location. They can also use this checkbox to see other types of report, or actually this active reports of the same type, so they can come back here and see if the report they filed has been already reported, or to see if it has been resolved. There's a reset button in case they mess up the location, or in case they want to change the type. Just pick one. And next button, which will take you to this text box, you will use it to put in the description of the problem. Pictures are optional, but they can take a picture with their camera, or they can go to their gallery and select an image they want to upload. Let's click submit. Again, we see a confirmation message here telling them that they should see this problem resolved, and the logo for the Department of Highway. This is where you basically report the problem to. Okay, let's go back home. Let's look at... Okay, let's go back to the fill out application. There's another section, it's called License and Permits. Here I have all the different types of miscellaneous license and permits. I didn't build all these out because obviously there's a lot. So ideally they'll be able to select these and fill out these online forms, and it'll be a lot faster than printing things out and going down to the town hall in person. So here all they are. Let's go back to home. Okay, make payment. So these are also external links to a website that they already have on Town of DeWitt. So they can make water bill payment, or they can pay some property tax. So water bill, which will take you to this website. It's pretty straightforward. Similar with taxes. It'll take you to this tax website. Alright, and lastly, find information. As you can tell, this app doesn't have all the information there is on the website. So in case they want more information, this will take them straight to the town website. And then they can look for information on planning and zoning, different codes, and all that other stuff. Alright, so this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.